All right, let's walk this ride. Anything I find, you'll know about it. Chips, scratches, rust, dents. Coming up on the front. A little dust here. A little bug mark. I love this color. And all the stuff that they've done to this car. Nice set of wheels there coming on down the side. A little dusty up in the corner there, but kind of rough feeling there in the corner. The steps look decent. Going up over the back. Little spot there. Around this way, mark here. Dirt there. Spot in the door. Chips here in the corner. Over the top of the fender. Little bubbles there in the corner. Chips in the side here. Dimple there. Go around the passenger side here. Mark there. Edge of your door here's got some chips. Crack in the paint there. Little bubbles popping up. Back over here as well. Spot up top. Checking out the trunk. Customized, looks good. Release latches on the interior, and you have to have two people to release it. There we go. Gonna have to get her inside now. It's starting to rain, guys. I don't think I'll get this video done today. Guys literally waiting on it too. Got 3 or 4 people waiting on it. Okay. We'll check out our interior. Like I said, we'll probably have to just put her up. I'll put out the walk around if that's the case. Test drive will have to wait. Is this car not going to be driven in the rain? What's crazy is this is the back seat. Look at this up. Yeah, it's starting to rain kind of hard. All right, we're gonna get her in the showroom. We'll start it up. Starts right up, guys. oil pressure gauge, engine temperature. It ain't even had a chance to come up. Wipers do work. Kind of wacko though. Look. Radio not cutting on. Nope. Blower motor's also not working. I do like the armor. There is a back seat. Isn't that crazy? How much room you got? I guess you just put stuff back there. Old ashtray there. Firewall is super nice. Batteries down in the corner. Hadn't rained all day until right now when I'm trying to get this last car for the update done. Hey guys, if I get a break in the rain, I'll take it out. But I'm gonna put her back in the showroom right now and get her wiped off. You can check out the full test drive, hopefully, if I get it done before it sells, but this walk around, I'm gonna put it up. And again, if it stops raining, I'll go ahead and add it to the video. You'll see regardless. Detailed pictures, finance and shipping, maplemotors.com. Any other information, just give us a call and we'll hook you up. Thanks guys. Let's get her back in there real quick. All right. Let's back it on up. Get her out of the rain there. Kind of wait at the edge of the door here. I'm going to try to give it a chance because I would like to test drive this down the road for you. But this is one of those that has been sitting in my showroom and it's such a clean car inside and out. I'm not going to do that to it. Horn? Does it work? Nope. Horn's not hooked up on this. All right. Thanks, guys.